Hi, I'm Kaliana. Would you like long-acting support to improve your moods and support your immune system? Then you're going to love my deep release oils. I developed my first one to help my son as a toddler because he'd been sick for 3 months and nothing that we did seemed to make him better. And within a matter of days of using my oil, we watched him start to improve. What's wonderful is you just apply them to the skin and rub them in. They disappear very quickly. They help to do repair with the cells, they help with emotional support, and they help stimulate and support the immune system. What makes these nutrient-rich oils unique is that they're a combination of essential oils and vibra-nutrients designed to penetrate deep within the cells for cellular regeneration and to support the immune system. At the same time, they're targeting specific emotions to help you feel your best. We recommend using them twice a day the same way that you would a lotion. You can apply them all over the body, but I really recommend that you target your face, your neck, your throat, the back of the neck, and up and down the spine. This will help your body to get the deepest regeneration in the places where the emotions tend to move through your system. If you apply them to tight muscles in your joints and you pay attention, just within a matter of minutes, you tend to feel the muscles relax, and you may even discover you have a larger amount of flexibility. Each deep release oil is designed to target a specific emotion and to work, again, deep within the body for the immune system and various aches and pains. You can buy them individually and use them for support, or you might like to have a set to support you and your family with the variety of emotional needs that you face. If you're looking for deep immune support and long-acting emotional support, get started with my deep release oils today and you get free shipping. I guarantee you're absolutely going to love the way they feel and the difference in how they make you feel.